Good morning, class 5th. This is Sunil Arya, and today I am going to start chapter 4, and the chapter is kinds of sentences and clauses. And some day ago I have finished chapter 3rd, and the chapter was kinds of phrase. Kinds of phrase, and I explained all the kinds of phrase. And first kind was noun phrase, second was adverb phrase, and the last one was adjective phrase. And today we will read kinds of sentences and phrase. First, I would like to define the sentence. I know you have read sentence in previous class, but today we are going to read this chapter again and read this matter again. First sentence. As you know, a sentence is a group of words that make complete sense and contains a main verb and begin with capital letter and ends with full stop, that is called sentence. And clauses. What is clause? A clause refers to a beginning. A clause refers to a group of related words within a sentence or itself as an independent sentence which has both subject and predicate, that is called clause. And examples are: he was eating a bacon sandwich. He was eating a bacon sandwich. And another example is: she is my best friend who is standing behind the tree. And first example was of the sentence and another was clause. And its first kind is simple sentence. Let's see on the word simple sentence. Simple sentence. A sentence which contains one main clause is called simple sentence. Example: the train should be here soon. This is an example of simple sentence. This is an example of simple sentence. A sentence which contains one main clause is called simple sentence. And the example is: the train should be here soon. And another kind is complex sentence. Complex sentence. A complex sentence is also made up of clauses, but in this case the clauses are not equally and one or more subordinate clauses. Example: Mary went to the store because she needed bread. Mary went to the store because she needed bread. In this sentence, Mary went to the store is main clause. Mary went to the store is main clause, and she needed the bread is the subordinate. Is the subordinate. And I have explained that in this sentence, complex sentence, they contain a main clause or one subordinate clause. So that's why in this example, Mary went to the store because she needed a bread. And Mary went to the store. This is the main clause. And she needed the bread is subordinate. And rest and I will teach tomorrow. And I hope you will understand what I explained today. The kinds of sentence and clause. First was simple sentence and the other second was complex sentence. If you have any doubt, any question, you can call me, you can WhatsApp me. Thank you.